Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Ethereum daily update, but before we begin, join our monthly subscription, guys. You can cancel anytime you like. Buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto. You can find the link in the description down below. You get many benefits, including automated signal, buying opportunities, personal guidance, educational and instructional videos, and many more. Also join our Telegram group chat. We are a family that grows together. Link is in the description down below as well. And of course, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's see a little bit the Ethereum right now. We stopped around 2,200, around 2,300 Tether USD. So let's find some major support levels. Starting from this bottom right here, ending up to the top, we want to find some major support levels for the short term. And here we are, we have our first one around there, guys. You can see that. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. You can see that we have one at 2,000 Tether USD. Right now we are finding a little bit support at 2025. We almost went down. We have one more at 1,923. You can see there. And of course, one more, the 0.786. What we want to see right now is eventually not falling down, especially from the 0.55 Fibonacci retracement line, guys, the 2,000 Tether USD. Dropping down would mean that we will go down to 1,923. But in case, guys, you want to see some important resistance levels, we have one around here, 2,430, the next price target if we make this as support level. Let's go a little bit to the MACD. The MACD looks cool, guys. We had some higher lows here. We eventually crossed even above this resistance level, and what we want to do is to cross above this one right here as well. We couldn't manage to do it, therefore we're going all the way down. What we care about right now is not to lose this support level right here. We want to form higher lows and higher highs. It is very crucial for the MACD indicator. Let's go now to Ethereum USDT, guys, in the 4-hour frame, and you can see we are standing in a very oversold situation. When we are beyond -100 in the commodity channel index, guys, we are standing in an oversold situation, therefore we have a buying opportunity, right? But on the 4-hour frame, guys, on the RSI, we are not in the down right now, but we want to make sure that we are having some higher low pattern in the RSI. Therefore we want to stop right here and eventually climb ourselves back up again, and you will see something bearish, guys. That's why we are correcting right now so much, because of Ethereum against Bitcoin. I will show you to this right afterwards. Let's see the stochastic RSI. We are down a little bit further below. You can see that we want to climb all the way up, but we are in an oversold situation, right? According to the stochastic RSI and the commodity channel index, both of these indexes are in an oversold situation. What we hope for is maybe we can have a swing high momentum for Ethereum, but you can see that it is looking good that we just climbed a little bit back. We don't want to lose some major support levels. Let's go on the daily frame. On the Bollinger Bands, nothing to talk about. We are not on the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands to have a buying opportunity on the daily frame. And you know already, when we go on the top line of the Bollinger Bands in a normal market, we usually have a selling opportunity right here. Let's go and see a little bit the daily RSI commodity channel index. Nothing to talk about. We are between 30 and 70. We are between -100 and 100. We want to go and make a pattern like this, follow a pattern where we can go into an overbought situation in the daily frame for the commodity channel index. It is very crucial, and it will help us so much afterwards. Let's go to the MACD, a bullish cross right here, but nothing important. We need further distance between the blue line and the signal line, the orange line. And let's go, of course, to the stochastic RSI. You can see we approach the top almost, because the stochastic RSI, guys, has a top of 100 or 1, depends on which platform you use. I use TradingView, so we have 100 as the top. We were in an overbought situation. Now we are correcting a little bit, but on the commodity channel index, guys, we weren't in an overbought situation. That means the stochastic RSI might be sometimes very good, but in overall, guys, we weren't in an overbought situation right here. Okay, so we didn't have anything to worry about. We might actually do something like this and then go upwards again. This will be very cool for Ethereum in the daily frame. You can see that we don't care about this bullish close, we need further distance. Let's go to Ethereum Bitcoin chart. That's why we are correcting right now, guys, because we are underperforming against Bitcoin for now, right? Or from 30 June we are underperforming, but from guys, let's see a little bit, from 27 June we were outperforming Bitcoin. And I've told you back in the days, guys, that we were seeing higher lows in the RSI but lower lows in the price, right? Lower lows in the price and higher lows in the RSI. When you see that, be ready for a fly. Be ready to approach a bottom and then have a significant swing high. And there we went, guys. We had a significant swing high and we are so proud of it. Now, right now, we want to just make sure that we stay above the 0.06. You can see here, we divide Ethereum's price to Bitcoin's price. That's why we get this price label, and we want to stay above this support level. In case we fall down, we will just go to there. And of course, our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, our golden ratio, the 6 cents around there. So Ethereum Bitcoin chart on the daily frame looks good, guys. We were in an overbought situation on the daily on the commodity channel index, therefore we corrected a little bit, but it is all right, guys. What I want to see is a pattern following with a higher highs. Eventually, now we are forming lower highs. You can see that we are forming some lower high pattern with lower lows. This is pretty, I don't know, it bothers me a little bit, to be honest with you guys. And if we go all the way down, then we will lose some very significant support levels for Ethereum, especially if Bitcoin goes upwards, right? Because if downwards, sorry, but because if Bitcoin goes upwards, let's go now to Bitcoin. If Bitcoin follows this scenario right here where we can break the 33,600, 34,700, it is very cool. But for now we are bouncing between the Fibonacci retracement levels. You can see how important Fibonacci numbers are. You can find them everywhere in the world, and so we find them here in the technical analysis, right? So we want to make sure we just go to above 33,600 and 34,700. I believe these are the key levels for now. Then our next price target will be the 38,500, around there, before we have a minor correction if we surpass the 36,500. So these are our price targets, guys. And of course, right now, if we go like that, this will mean that Ethereum might retest the 2,200 and go to 2,400 to 500, around there. Okay, so if Bitcoin does that, of course, because if Bitcoin falls down and we correct and we have a correction for Ethereum Bitcoin chart, then Ethereum can lose some very strong support levels right here. For example, the 2000 Tether USD, maybe the 1900, and many more. I will delete this for now to check the support levels we have. And we have some major support levels. You can see here the 1900, which are 0.618, and of course some many more. I didn't want to just move that. 1830. We can go further down if we lose the support level and eventually go all the way, guys, especially 32,700 and 31,700 are our major support lines for now for Bitcoin, right? Because we just went drawing our Fibonacci from this bottom to this top. You can see how smoothly we are finding support levels with the Fibonacci numbers. We had the head and shoulders pattern. Now we want to see if we go down or upwards, right? And eventually, guys, on the daily frame, if I go to the Bitcoin on the daily frame, I have analyzed this. I have made a video right before, guys, for Bitcoin. You can check it out. But on the daily frame, we have room to grow. We have room to grow according to the commodity channel index, and that's why I have circled the higher low pattern right here, because that's what we want to follow and go straight forward all the day, right? So eventually, guys, for Ethereum, this will be very good as well. And of course, you know, Ethereum follows Bitcoin's pattern. So 250 is our next price target. 2,500 actually is our next price target. And of course, if we fall down, you know the price targets already, in case you want just to sit here and observe a little bit the market. But in overall, guys, this is a great long-term buying opportunity, right? Do not miss the chance. Don't FOMO in all your money right here. But for Ethereum, guys, I do believe that this is a great long-term, not short-term, guys, long-term, maybe more than a year buying opportunity. Thank you so much for watching. Join our monthly subscription and of course join our Telegram group chat, hit the like button and subscribe. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.